Iman Gadzhi lied to you, and I will prove it in this video. You see, Iman Gadzhi always talks about having an agency, how agency is a profitable business. But there is one thing he never talks about, and that is SaaS. You might be curious, what does SaaS even stand for? SaaS stands for software as a service. Now, SaaS is literally one of the hottest industries to get in, and today I'm gonna guide you guys in how you guys can start your own SaaS business. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, boys. I hope you all are doing good. In today's video, we're gonna talk about Iman Gadzhi, the top G, the 23-year-old who's living the dream life of every teenager. Now, this video is not intended to hate on him or anything like that. The reason why I even tell you guys that he's lying to you guys is because I wanna expose him for the fact that what he's actually making money from is not even an agency. It's actually a SaaS business. Now, of course, as I mentioned at the start of the video, in this video I'm even gonna guide you guys through the whole process of how he actually built his own SaaS business and how you guys can do it too. So once again, SaaS stands for software as a service, and what that means is you build an application, a software, a web page, whatever it is, and you try to solve people's problem without even touching the application. So once you build it, you're literally good to go, and you literally make it subscription based so that everyone pays for it. Now, you guys already know Iman Gadzhi always talks about agency and how agency is so profitable and all of that stuff. But have you guys ever tried to build a SaaS business? Have you guys even thought about the fact that he actually makes most of his money from the course and the SaaS business that he has? Now, the smartest thing he has done is the fact that he actually made a course and he linked that course to his SaaS business. So if you watch his course, you have to be in his software, and without his software you can't even run your own agency, which of course the agency has its own reviews. Some people say it's good, some people say it's bad. It's completely up to the people and the way they actually take the review out of that agency. But here's the main point: he built a SaaS and he connected it with his course, and now every person has to use his SaaS business. Now, if you're curious, how do you even build a SaaS? Is it really hard? Do you need to do coding? None of that stuff. You can literally build a complete SaaS business with literally the cheapest price possible in 2023-2024. If you have an idea and if you think you can actually start your own SaaS business, I would just give you a quick example: dropship.io. If you're a dropshipper, you need a winning product, and to find winning product, it gets really tough. So what do? You go into dropship.io, you pay the monthly fee of $49 or $89, whatever you feel comfortable with, of course, and you actually get winning products from dropship.io. Now, dropship.io is exactly what all these other SaaS businesses are. They are literally a service software that gives you winning products or that solves your problem that you have. Now, how can you build a SaaS? First thing first, you have to identify a problem where you're seeing in any application, any business, anywhere that you see a problem. You have to notice it. Now, once you have noticed the problem, you have to know that you should have a personal brand, or you can sell the SaaS business to some other company. Now, let me explain it to you. If you want to build a SaaS business, there's two ways to it. One, you build a SaaS business and you sell it to a different business, to a different company as a solution. The second way is you stay as the owner and you promote it through whatever means, and you tell the people how it could actually solve their issues. Now, both of these methods of course work, and of course if you have a social presence, you can literally go with the second method of you promoting the application and telling the people how it could actually solve a problem for them. But if you don't have a social presence, it's completely good. It's a bit hard for you to sell that whole SaaS business, but if you truly solve a problem, there's gonna be easy ways and easy routes for you to sell that SaaS software. Now, of course, everybody's curious, how do you even build it? I have linked an email down below where you guys can literally email whatever SaaS company you're looking for, whatever SaaS company you're trying to build. That company will get back to you with the whole quotation, with the whole sort of sample of what your SaaS company or software would look like, and complete everything from budgeting to the time duration it would take for them to build your SaaS company. Now, this is an amazing opportunity because the team that builds your SaaS company is actually located in a third world country. So it means it's going to be so much more cheaper than all of these online softwares that's trying to build your SaaS, all of these online gurus or online websites. So if you're interested and if you think you can actually solve a problem for any business or for the people that you're looking out for, this opportunity is for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys know that this is not to hate on Iman Gadzhi or anything like that. You guys should just know the truth, and I'm here for it. If you guys want to learn what I do and what I do for a living and how I live the lifestyle that I live, check out the Discord in my bio, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.